You're not supposed to make fire over here. Let me call the cops.
What in the Muncie boyology is going on over here? This man just found a pack of Muncie boys in the woods in the New Square sector of Muncie land, burning a deer on a pallet, yo. Literally an entire deer, yo. I cannot make this up. This man seen smoke coming from the back of his house, went back there and literally seen a mob of Muncie boys burning a deer on top of a pallet that you would see in a warehouse, my nigga. The deer had sticks going throughout its whole body, through its stomach, through its eyes. What in the New Squarian ritual is going on back here? So this is why you guys want to own all the property in Muncie land? To cook venison in the woods, in the backyard. What in the Muncie land barbecue is going on for real, y'all? My Muncie boys gotta explain this to me, man. I had no idea what to make of this. This makes no sense to me. Somebody gotta explain this to me, y'all, immediately. When he came up to y'all and asked y'all what's going on here, y'all didn't say nothing. But y'all got some explaining to do. Cause you not about to tell me you just found a deer on top of some warehouse equipment, already with sticks throughout his body, already on fire, and you just decided to crowd around it and do some type of Muncie boy kumbaya. I don't know what's going on. You explain to me, all right?